is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second.
Hey guys, it's me Shubhangi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right beside it so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So Valentine's Day is around the corner and all you lovebirds must be wondering what to give to your better half. Don't worry, I have a solution for you. I will be showing you guys how to make this beautiful DIY rose box. Whereas Norman rose can just fade away, this is going to stay forever. And also, what is better than gifting someone handmade gifts? You can give this to your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, or even your bestie. So let's see how to make this beautiful DIY rose box.
For making the box, you will be needing a mount board, some chart paper of any color, some tissue, some old newspaper, a pair of scissors, a scale and a pencil, and also some Fevicol or glue. For making the base of the box, cut out two heart shapes from the mount board of equal size depending on how big or small you want the box to be. We will use one heart shape to make the base. Cut out long strips of cardboard of length 11 cm. Score 2.5 cm from the base of the strip of cardboard. Cut the score area into fringes. Then place it carefully using some glue to form the sides. Once done with one half, repeat the same to do the other half. It will turn out to be like this. Once done with making the base, similarly make the cover using the other heart shape and using long strips of 5 cm and score 2 cm from the base and cut it into fringes to make the sides. Once done, we will start making the bed of the box. Take some old newspaper and crush them and using some glue attach it onto the base. Fill up the entire box using the newspaper. Set it aside for some time to dry. Once it has dried, use the tissue paper to cover it from the top. Keep it aside to dry completely. To make the rose, cut long strips of 2.5 cm. Take 2 long strips and join the edges. Start with one end of the joined strip. Fold the end and start rolling the paper as shown. Just when the folded end comes to an end, make another fold in the opposite direction. Repeat folding backward as the previous fold ends and keep rolling. Hold the base tightly throughout the process. Once you are done with making the rose, you need to make approximately 30 roses to fill up the box. Place the roses one by one and cover the entire box.
Enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like the video and also share this video with your friends, and have a nice day. Bye.